So if you ever come into a situation where you're going to need to use one of these and you just don't feel confident about it, you're not sure how they really function, or you're trying to teach a class on how they work and how they function, this little device is going to be very, very, very helpful. So it comes with a little handle kit like this. You're going to get the adult and child patches. These are going to be the electrode patches. Okay, it shows you where you're supposed to attach. So, and one thing to note is when you're actually doing this, like for say in the real world, if you encounter this, you're going to have to shave the chest. You cannot directly put hair onto the patches. You're going to have to get rid of the hair or put it in an area generalized that you're supposed to with the least amount of hair if you don't have a razor or shaver nearby. Things to note about this is you will get the 2 adult patches. Everything is so simple with this. It tells you literally everything and it shows you where to apply everything. Those are the adult ones. You also have the child ones. You'll put one on the front and one on the back of the child. Let's turn this on and see how it sounds. So these, obviously you will plug this in when it is time. First thing I do want to say is the volume on this, if you're teaching a large class, they will be able to hear it. The highest volume on this is very, very loud. To change the volume, you actually have to press and hold this button for about 10 to 12 seconds. There's going to be 2 lights that will flash here, which I'll show you in a second. You will then enter the mode model, so where you're able to change settings and adjust the volumes. If you don't enter that type of setting, you will not be able to change the volume and you will not be able to change the mode. So the mode actually has 4 settings. So it's going to be a continuous defibrillation, it's going to be a single one, a single shock, or a double shock, or it's going to be no shock at all. And you can set this up before you do a training session with a bunch of people, or if you want to just practice different ones, that's when you'll do it. Whatever you have it on last time is what it will automatically turn on when you power it back on. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to press and hold here.
Please call the rescue number immediately. Untie the patient's clothing and expose the chest.
So we're going to keep holding this power button.
Tear
Don't
open
let
the
go.
packaging bag and take
There
out
we
the
go.
electrode
Did you
piece.
notice how it went from a slower flash to a very fast flash right here? So now you can change the volume.
Min volume.
Okay.
Maximum volume.
Very, very loud, as I said.
Moderate volume.
Okay, I like it on the moderate volume. Obviously, do what best suits you. Now down here, you have the mode button.
1 defibrillation.
Okay, it could tell you the setting that you can administer, how many defibrillations, whether you want a continuous or some or none at all.
Twice defibrillation. No defibrillation required. Continuous defibrillation. 1 defibrillation.
So I'm going to set it for this purpose on 1 defibrillation, and then I'm going to get it out of this double flashing here. So I'm going to press and hold the power button again. I adjusted my volume and I adjusted the mode that I wanted on. So now I'm just going to turn on the device and show you and walk you through how it works and how everything, literally, I was shocked at how it tells you everything to do, which is extremely helpful, and it definitely will help build your confidence, because when you're in a scary situation and you come in contact with these, they can be intimidating, and to be able to have this to help you get that confidence and just get used to a device like this, it's really helpful. Now, just remember, this isn't real, so it will not really administer the shock or have any output of any type of shock. It is just for training purposes only.
Please call the rescue number immediately. Untie the patient's clothing and expose the chest.
Okay, so it gives you that second.
Tear open the packaging bag and take out the electrode piece. Adhere the electrode strip to the patient's exposed skin according to the schematic diagram. Check if the adult mode.
Did you
Analyzing heart
notice
rate.
once I
Please do
plugged
not
this
touch the
in,
patient.
it changed the direction and the path it was telling me to do?
Recommend.
If you want to bypass the initial beginning where it's telling you all the instructions, you can just put the electrode plug into it and it will start telling you what needs to be done and how what you need to follow and the directions you need to do. But I will say, obviously, it's good to listen to all of that first. So I did cut it off and I want you to be able to hear the full thing. So we're going to continue and do it again so that you can hear everything it says before having to plug the electrodes in.
Please call the rescue number immediately. Untie the patient's clothing and expose the chest. Tear open the packaging bag and take out the electrode piece. Adhere the electrode strip to the patient's exposed skin according to the schematic diagram. Check if the electrode plate is firmly attached and the plug is inserted properly. Tear open the packaging bag and take out the electrode piece. Adhere the electrode strip to the patient's exposed skin according to the schematic diagram.
So did you notice that it actually repeats itself
Check if the electrode plate
until
is firmly
you plug
attached
this in?
and the plug is
And
inserted
then,
properly.
so if you happen to miss something, it will repeat itself until you plug this in. So we're going to plug
Tear
this
open
in
the
and
packaging
continue.
bag and take out the adult mode
So I have it on adult mode.
and child mode.
There's the mode to change adult and
Adult
child.
mode. Child mode. Adult mode.
This was also the volume, but you
Recommend
can't do it in this
defibrillation.
setting.
Please don't touch the patient. Please press the flashing defibrillation button.
You see it flashing?
Defibrillation completed. Please perform CPR immediately.
It gives you the heartbeat at the rhythm you're supposed to give your chest compressions. That's insane. That's really good because if you're doing this with just like one person, having that to tell you and to not mess you up and it says when to breathe in, when to give a breath, and how to give your chest compressions at what beat and rate. And if you switch to the child, it's going to say it faster. Because remember, child's heart rates are different than adult's heart rate. And it will just keep repeating this until you are done. And you only said to give it one, so it's only administering that one set. So we're going to turn it off now. Just press and hold it, and it goes off. There is 2 different languages. It comes in English and Chinese as well. It has little grooves in the back here to help hold for your fingers. It does get, here's your charger. If you charge it, this is going to last you a long time though. So it does get a long, long life for once it's fully charged. And you, right there. Here is a little cute carrying case. Okay. Handle with it. And a little pocket here for your patches to put in it. These patches are reusable for your mannequins or for using purposes. You can always reuse the stickiness of them, and just when you're done using them, never throw the plastic away. Keep this plastic so that when you're done using it, you can attach it back onto the back of the pad and reuse it lots of times. So I'm really grateful that the company sent me this to review and to go over, because this is important things to know if you're ever in a situation and you need to provide CPR, or you have an AED nearby and you really need to, and you're not sure how to use them. This is something that is going to be really helpful for you and for others, and share with others, because you never know, one day just having one of these and learning from it could save a life.